Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. If you're new here, my name is Kelsey. I randomly decided this morning that I was going to loosely track my macros for the day. I don't know why. I haven't tracked macros in like 2 years, which is a very long time, but I just wanted to see where I was at, and so many people asked me about macros, so I decided I'm gonna do it. So everything that I track is on MyFitnessPal. It's just an app. You can track all of your food. It's great because you can scan like barcodes of the food that you're eating and it puts it in for you. And loosely tracking, I'm not going to like weigh every little thing out. I'm gonna guesstimate on some things of like how much it is. I might weigh some things depending on what it is, but most things I'll just guess. So it is after the gym. I already went to the gym, so I already kind of like started my day. So before the gym, I had my rice cake with peanut butter and my pre-workout, and then I just had my protein. That's all that I have had so far today, and I already put that into MyFitnessPal. And I actually already added my breakfast because I have my overnight oats every single morning, so I just added it while I was adding things in there. And then if you go down to, I don't pay for like the premium one, but if you go down to like the nutrition spot, it gives you a quick breakdown of the macros that you're at right now. So right now with my breakfast included, I'm at 82 grams of carbs, 36 grams of fat, and 66 grams of protein. So I usually eat a lot more in the morning compared to later on in the day, but that's where I will be at after I eat my overnight oats. So I'll keep you guys updated on what I'm doing. If I end up weighing anything out, I'll show you guys that too. If you haven't weighed anything, I'll show you guys how to do that. I am now just having my greens and essentials. So I just used the BOWMAR lemon greens, and today I did the lemonade iced tea essentials. Again, I'm very loosely tracking, so I don't track like my essentials, my BCAAs. I don't track my vitamins. I know some people do if they're like really strict with macros, like if they're prepping for a competition or something like that, which obviously I'm not doing any of that, so I'm not even going to track these. It's literally, this has 3 grams of carbs and 10 calories, and then the essentials are nothing. So this doesn't have any macros on it at all. So I'm not going to track that, but I'm just doing like a full day of eating type of thing. So this is what I am having right now. Now having my overnight oats, which I showed you guys. I already tracked them this morning because I was in there, so I was like, why not just track it now? Also, a disclaimer, whatever my macros end up being at the end of the day, do not follow them thinking that if you follow my macros, then you are going to look the same as me. I know so many people think that, and macros are so individual to each person. Also, I haven't like set macros for myself. I'm just seeing what I end up at the end of the day. Just a fun little thing to do, just to see. So it's not like I have set these macros to like bulk or cut or maintain or anything like that. Nothing is set. I'm not aiming for any certain numbers on like carbs, fats, and proteins or calories. So do not follow my macros. They will not work for you no matter what you think. Everyone's metabolisms are completely different. There's so many factors that go into your macros. So moral of the story, don't follow them. Don't follow anyone else's macros that you see. We're just seeing what's going on today. I'm back. I'm hungry again, so I need a snack and I need to have my coffee. So right now I am just doing my coffee. So I want to show you guys how you can measure out your creamer. So I just put my mug on my scale and zeroed it out. And then this is the creamer that I'm using, just the pumpkin spice dairy-free almond creamer. And then you just pour however much you want. I just kind of guess. I think that looks good. So I'm gonna do 63 grams and then put that into MyFitnessPal. And then I still can't decide if I want cold brew. I have the coffee over cardio pumpkin cold brew, or if I want to do hot coffee with this. So I'm gonna decide on what I want to do with that. And then for a snack. I have over here some mini cucumbers with cream cheese and everything but the bagel seasoning from Trader Joe's. So I'm gonna eat that. I'll probably have something else after because I'm kind of hungry right now. I decided to go with the cold brew for my coffee, but I wanted something like on the more like savory side because my coffee is sweet with the pumpkin creamer in it. So I have some everything crackers from Trader Joe's and 3 slices of these cheddar cheese. 3 slices is the serving, and I really only want like a taste of it. So this is what I have right now. So I'm gonna track this and put it in my MyFitnessPal also. And then we will see where the day takes us for lunch. I've been like weird with lunch lately. This whole week I haven't really eaten like a proper lunch. I've been having a mango. I've been obsessed with mangoes. I've been having a full mango at like 11 every day, and then I'm not hungry like around lunchtime, so I'll eat at like 2 or 2:30, and then my whole day is just like weird after that with like meal timing. But I mean, it kind of helps when I coach for F45 to eat lunch like a little bit later, because then I'm like still full, and then by the time I get home from F45 I am hungry enough for dinner. But we'll see what I end up having. I'm gonna eat this, have my coffee. It is a little bit later now, so I'm going to have some lunch. I think I'm gonna do like a little mini taco bowl. I'm not like insanely hungry. I could use some food. So I have my bowl here and my scale, and then ingredients we are using. I have sharp cheddar cheese. I have the cheddar cheese. I have the beefless ground from Trader Joe's. I have some romaine lettuce and some peppers. So I'm gonna throw all this into a bowl, stick it in the microwave, and go from there. So I'll show you guys me weighing everything. I have the food in the microwave. I'm just going to throw some of the lettuce on. I'm not gonna measure it or weigh it because there's like nothing in it, and it's done. And the amount that I'm gonna use, it's not like it would really contribute to anything. I am now having my mango. So I just have mango with cinnamon on top. I did weigh it out as I was cutting it, and it was 196 grams of mango. So I tracked that in MyFitnessPal, and let me show you guys what I'm at for the day so far. So as of right now, I'm at 168 grams of carbs, 59 grams of fat, and 109 grams of protein. My fats tend to be on the higher side, I find, just because I eat a lot of like higher fat foods, I guess. I think my fats are probably going to be very high. I know a lot of people tend to stay around like the 50 gram of fat mark, but it's just not for me, guys. But if you want to see, that is where I'm at for right now after I eat this mango. So that would be with pre-workout snack, breakfast, snacks, lunch, coffee, all of that. It's 1 o'clock right now. So after I eat this, I might not eat until dinner. It kind of just depends on how hungry I am before I go to F45, if I have a snack or not, but usually mango fills me up a lot. So we'll just see where I'm at and go from there. But for right now, that's it. I'll show you guys next time I eat something. I want something sweet before I go to coach at F45. I still have like a half hour until I have to leave, but I'm gonna have some peanut butter, some dates, This is like my go-to snack now. I literally just dip them in peanut butter. Sometimes I cut them in half, spread the peanut butter on, and then put chocolate chips on, but I'm not that hungry. I just want like a taste of something sweet. So this is what I'm doing. I literally just dip the date in peanut butter. And that's it. That's all you do. So I'll probably have like 2 of these, maybe 3. I'm not really hungry. I just wanted a taste of something sweet before I have to get ready. So I'll have like 2 or 3 of these and I'll track it. Well, that's it for now. I just got back from F45, took my makeup off, washed my face. Now it's time for dinner. I'm super, super hungry today. I don't know why. So I have some brown rice, some chicken, and some soy sauce. So this is what we're doing. I have my scale here, so I'll measure it out. Just measured out my rice and my chicken. I'm not gonna measure my soy sauce because I don't want to. It's not like a high calorie sauce, so there's no point. It's the less sodium one. If you track sodium, then I would recommend tracking it, but I'm not tracking sodium, so it doesn't matter. So as of right now, after I eat this, which I'll probably have something after because I usually like to have something sweet at night. I either have like cereal or I might have a pumpkin bagel. I don't know yet. But my carbs would be at 244 grams. Fats are at 71 grams and protein is at 131. So that's where we will be after I eat this for dinner. It is cereal time now. So I have my honey bunches of oats. I have my honey Cheerio oat, whatever it's called, and my milk, which is the almond and cashew silk protein milk. So let's do this. I'll show you guys. I have the scale out. All right, so based on that, the weighing of the cereal didn't really work because it didn't have an option for grams or ounces, which is what the scale is in. It was just cups, so I just guessed. But at the end of the day, after I eat this is gonna be the last thing that I eat today. We are at 325 grams of carbs, 84 grams of fat, and 150 grams of protein. So higher than I expected, but this is honestly like a pretty normal day of eating that I have. I try to get in as many whole foods as possible. Try to keep my meals kind of simple with like the taco bowl and like rice and chicken for dinner, overnight oats for breakfast. Pretty like basic day of eating for me. So if you guys want to see, that's the end of my day for my macros once I eat my cereal. And that is going to be it for today's video. I hope you guys liked this. I hope you guys liked seeing me track macros for the first time in like 2 years. It's definitely interesting. I don't think I've ever been like this high of macros. When I did count macros previously, my macros were a lot lower than this. So my metabolism has definitely increased, which is a good thing. But yeah, that is going to be it for today's video. I will see you guys in the next one.